How to delete post on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete post on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then scroll down until you find here your post. Any post you want, click on it and then just click these three lines in the top corner and here you will find delete here. Now just click on it and then click delete, and that's it. As you see, your posts have been deleted, and you can delete any post here if you want, like this one. And that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.